Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. So I am back today with another Born Pretty PR. Today I've got their jelly collection. So it is a 6-piece set and voila, here they are. So yeah, these are pretty big, decent sized bottles. As you can see in the front, they have that shape so you can see the color inside. I'm just gonna pop these out. Okay, so there's all the colors, and these are 10 milliliter bottles, nice glass bottles. And yeah, they're really good, decent size, nice variety of colors. So let's start swatching. Okay, here's all the colors. They're really great fall colors, as you can see. So now let's get started with the design. So I'm actually going to use the nails that I have on, and I'm going to take these silver stickers. I really wanted to use those tip ones, but they don't fit. The only one they would fit on would be my pinky. So I'm going to use this design right here, and I'm just going to use that towards the bottom. Make sure it's pressed on really good. And if it doesn't reach that side wall of your nail, you can just pick it up like I'm doing here, reposition it a little, and you can kind of like, stretch it a bit and get it to reach the end of your nail so it looks nice and seamless. Now I'm using my SXC Cosmetics 3-in-1 because this formula is really nice and thick. So that would be really good protection for the sticker, and also to give a little bit of structure and thickness to the nail. So yeah, I apply that, I cure it up, and I do the same process to every nail besides my middle one, which I'm showing I use that tip. And then to reach the side walls, I cut a little one in half, put the edge on the edge of the nail, and it just looked like a seamless fit. So I have this other sheet, and I'm using that for the side, to go up the smile line. So you just match it up, stick it on, and I just cut off that excess that was on the top. So again, I'm just using that SXC 3-in-1 to base coat all of these nails to give them a nice thick layer. After that application, you can't even tell that I Frankenstein the crap out of that finger, which is good. So yeah, I chose just to use the red for my design, so I'm just going to paint that over, and it changes the color of that sticker. I think that is so cool. I really like this red, and I was just feeling the red and black, so I just chose to do that to all of my nails. I just really liked how it looked. It was really good, for like Halloween and all that. So yeah, I do this to all the nails. Make sure you get the sides really well, and cap the free edge. I really love how this looks, and a part of me kind of wishes I left it like that, but I didn't. Okay, so it's been a few days, so these nails might not be looking like so fresh anymore, but this is them all top coated. And I had an idea with these white charms that I have is to hopefully maybe I can paint over them just like I did with these silver stickers and, you know, see the color of these jellies. So I put the orange, the yellow, and the light brown on my heart here. And I have a silicone mold that I have yet to use. So I put some of these forms down and some glue dots to stick the charms on, just so I don't get, you know, paint all over my pink silicone thing. All right, so I know I definitely want to try it with the flowers. That's for sure. Oh. So I'm going to stick a flower there. And then with the bows, yeah, I think I definitely want one with the tail. So I'll do that. And then maybe a small bow tie. I'm going to use one of these disposable nail art brushes from Shein. So this is the yellow. Let's try it on the flower. Oh, it's working. Cool. Oh, the orange and the yellow look so much alike. Just went into the wrong one. All right, how do I want to do this? Oh, sticky icky. That looks really nice. Cool. Now I'm not sure if I want to leave some white or if I'll stick like, you know, some red or a different color with it. We'll see. Ugh, I keep putting my thumb in it. Okay. So that's the yellow. Now I think I want to make this bow orange. So this is really cool. This is a cool way to just, you know, get charms that match a holiday or an outfit, you know, whatever the deal is. And of course you can do this with, you know, any polish. As you know, you just mix it with some top coat and it becomes jelly. Getting all those crevices. Okay, so this will definitely be a 2-coater, but I do like how there's like some darker areas, you know? So I think I'm gonna leave that as is. I just gotta get this part. Now I'm just gonna place all these charms on, and then I do have a set of pointed back rhinestones, and I wanted to use the red and like a gold amber tone ones that I have. So I do use those, and I place them, you know, in all empty areas to fill it up. But I did have more red than the gold color, so, you know, I try to make it work as best as possible. But yeah, these really help to fill it in, being that, you know, they're pointed back and raised. So I was happy I found those in my stash. And yeah, so I just do this, and then I do another coat of top coat to seal all these charms in. I kind of like them, kind of don't. Nothing to do with the polish. It just has to do with what I chose to do. But I don't know. So here they are, nonetheless. So again, a big thank you to Born Pretty for sending me these products. I really do appreciate it. And thank you to all of you for watching. I appreciate you too. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.